Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Etobicoke Creek Trail in Brampton, Ontario, where we're continuing our southbound journey from Eglinton Avenue towards the charming Fleetwood Park. As we set off, you'll find yourself immersed in the natural beauty that surrounds this trail, with the gentle flow of the Etobicoke Creek accompanying us along the way. The Etobicoke Creek is a significant waterway that has shaped the landscape of Brampton for centuries. Originating in Caledon, it flows through the city and eventually joins the Humber River. This trail offers a unique opportunity to experience the creek up close, with its lush greenery and diverse wildlife creating a peaceful and scenic route. Historically, the area around Etobicoke Creek has been inhabited for thousands of years, with Indigenous peoples relying on the creek as a vital resource. In more recent times, the creek has played a role in the development of Brampton, providing water and a natural boundary for the growing city. As we ride, you might notice historical markers or remnants of old infrastructure that hint at the area's past. The trail takes us through a variety of landscapes, from wooded areas to open fields, offering a glimpse of the rich biodiversity that thrives here. It's a great spot for nature enthusiasts, with many species of birds and other wildlife making their homes along the creek. The trail is well maintained, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride for cyclists and walkers alike. As we approach Fleetwood Park, you'll notice the trail becoming even more picturesque, with the park offering a perfect spot to rest and take in the surroundings. Fleetwood Park is a beloved community space, featuring playgrounds, picnic areas, and plenty of green space for outdoor activities. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Brampton. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride along the Etobicoke Creek Trail. Whether you're here for a leisurely ride or a brisk workout, we wish you a wonderful time exploring this lovely trail and the surrounding parks. Thanks for watching.